The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a tornado warning for Southwestern Hogg County in Deep South Texas, Northwestern Starr County in Deep South Texas, Southeastern Zapata County in Deep South Texas, until 2:00 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:16 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles east of Morales-Sanchez, or 8 miles northeast of Lopeno, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and hail up to 2 inches in diameter. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Vipers around 1:40 a.m. Central Daylight Time. LSAWs around 1:55 a.m. Central Daylight Time. This includes U.S. Highway 83 near mile marker 780. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. The National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hogg County in Deep South Texas, Northwestern Hidalgo County in Deep South Texas, Starr County in Deep South Texas, Central Brooks County in Deep South Texas, Eastern Zapata County in Deep South Texas, until 2:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:26 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mirando City to near Vipers to 16 miles southwest of Falcon Dam, moving east at 40 miles per hour. These are very dangerous storms. Hazard: 80 miles per hour wind gusts and golf ball size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Rio Grande City, Roma, Escobars, LSAWs, Lopeno, Garciasville, La Rosita, Hebronville, Aguanueva, and Vibras. This includes U.S. Highway 83 between mile marker 776 and 836. These are potentially deadly storms. Seek shelter in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. Abandon vehicles in search of a more substantial permanent structure. Stay away from windows. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office in Brownsville.